Metal kids, how we doing? We just had some technical difficulties and we're starting this race over completely. So you're not going to see the screw up unless Den saves it. Anyway, all right, we're going to do another GT3 race. Dave's going to be in his BMW. Kurt's going to be in his Xbow again because he won that last race. And I'm going to be in my Mercedes AMG pace car. Here we go. Double tap to start, and we are there.
3, 2, 1, go.
Fall asleep on the start there.
Hold it. All right.
See, that's what I heard when I went crack on that corner.
That crack?
Yeah.
Oh, that's because you slid out and hit the guardrail.
Is that what that is?
That's exactly what that
Okay.
is.
I don't think so.
Yeah, it is. Trust me.
The other side.
Oh, all right. Not paying attention.
Kurt, you need fuel.
Yeah.
Dave, your car needs
Who's
grease.
ever in trying to fuel?
Kurt came out.
Sorry to hear that, Kurt.
Bummer, man. This is a bummer, man.
Dave, you need fuel.
Yeah. Thank you.
Oh, it's Kurt and Todd, back for lead. Oh, Todd's ahead.
You just ran me out the
I
road.
think that might have been my fault. I was trying to slow down too. I really was. I apologize. Not nice, fast me some impunity.
I don't know about how long that's going to hold. Yeah. You pulled a
Kurt,
three
you,
into it.
there you go.
Sorry.
It's all right.
One more, Dave.
One more?
All
Okay.
right.
There it is.
Thanks for jinxing me.
Sorry, buddy. Sorry. Gotta park you.
Gotta park, yeah.
Somebody, every race says, start in last place and finish first.
Ooh, it's neck and neck, 13-13.
Coming for you, bud.
Go
your
neck and neck,
pass.
man, you get first. That was
Pretty good.
first got our Todd's doing faster lap.
That was my first one.
Todd's doing faster lap than first. That's first. Todd, you're about out of fuel, you too, Kurt.
All you guys raced way better than I have tonight. Yeah. Oops.
Todd's still getting a faster lap on you, Kurt. You gotta get scooping.
Yeah, no, he's. Well, faster lap isn't necessarily going to win the race, though. Kurt's staying in the slot tonight for some reason.
Don't stop. No.
Oh, yeah, I guess they don't stop.
Oh, it's done.
Oh, it is.
Done. Yeah.
Who won?
I think Kurt did.
Oh, I see two checkered flags. I don't know.
I think Todd won because he's got the faster lap time, 7:45 to 7:74.
He won lap times, but he didn't win the race because he wiped.
Well, they're
Well, I
both
did
at
wipe
21
out
laps,
3 times,
though.
though. I don't know.
I was